maging mabait tayo sa ganyan. Ang hirap po kayang mag-stream, promise. Wala namang kikitaing pera. Yung maganda ka lang. Charot! Ayan. 6657603. Sakit ng ulo ko. Ano ba yan? Nagugutom ako eh. 665-60392. Okay? This one is from Philippine Metropolitan under Keros Esports Squad. Highest rank is 29. Current rank is a placement in Mythic. No album with 139 skins. Expert Collector 5. And, oh, Tigreal. Roamer ata si Idol. Battlefield 101 matches, 61.39 win rate, 7 MVP. Maniac, wala po. Longest win streak is a 6. All-time favorite would be Granger, Tigreal, and Freya. Ayan. Mahiwagang salamin. Alright, next would be Alifit Riza. This is our one of my subscriber. Guys, have you seen my posted benefits for my SB holder or subscribers holder? Okay, if you would like to avail, you can avail that in our TikTok account. 169 pesos, I think. 165 pesos po per month. And the first subscription you can get as Battle Emote. Second subscription would be normal skin. Third subscription would be Starlight. And fourth subscription, you can get epic skin automatically. Plus, the other benefits would be end of the month, exclusive for our subscriber, GCash or recharge, and the Starlight. So, it always depends on how many subscribers I will have on the end of the month. If I get 9 subscribers, then I'll give 3 Starlights. Then, if I get 15 subscribers, I will give 1 epic skin plus the GCash. Okay. 73748 Bakit wala? Ali, mali ba ang ano mo? 37487841. Parang may mali. Notify. Hola, Amadale. Dale. Ayan. On sa Kisha. Hello, shoutout. Wash out, Lovia. Like and follow with Lovia. Parang mali to, Ali. Puntahan na lang kita sa squad. Okay, this one, Alifit Riza from Philippine Sulu. Of course, from our squad, the Efficacious. 60 Mythical Glory is the highest rank. 15 points Mythic is his current rank. Kindly follow as well, Ali Riza Julasri. Mahirap sabihin. With 322 skins, a renowned collector. History hidden, 134 matches, 56.72 win rate, 23 MVP. Maniac 2. Longest win streak is 5. And there you go. All-time favorite is Harley, Kimi, and Johnson. Pabura. Ito na, naano ka na. Pa-follow back, madam. Na-follow kita. Sige. Pakibula, merienda, angel burger. O, yung sarap. Ako spaghetti dito. Sa sa TikTok kita, subo ko. Hold on I'll just make subo. Sarap kumain. Next would be Rima YSO Pro. Okay. $39 3948 77 9933 948 77993. Shh, Daddy's here. Okay, from Arunachal Pradesh, number 36. Xavier, is this you, Rima? Is this your picture? From Dimensional Void, ML streamer ako, nakain ako habang nagla-live. Ah, yes. 76 points, the Mythical Glory is the highest rank. Currently, she is at 38 points, Mythical Honor. Ay. This is Rima. Is this you? You're so beautiful. You look like Ivana. With a 252 Renault Collector. Hi, Ate Hat. Kamusta na? Long time no play, Oo nga eh. History, Hidden, Battlefield, 306 matches, 53.59 win rate, 28 MVP, Maniac 1. Longest win streak is 8, and all-time favorite would be Luis, Silvana, and Navaria. Jobert Tanyola, thank you for topping our screen there in our TikTok. Thank you po, thank you. Okay. Last, for those who would like to join in our 5v5, make sure that you follow our instructions there. I'm going to give 11 dias for those who are or who will be MVP. MVP win only, guys. Okay? MVP win. Jonathan Humaran, shoutout, thank you very much for sharing our stream. Elino, Eroy, Anyasco, hello po. Good afternoon. Okay, the last would be Capricious. And also, if you would like to enter with our epic skin that will be drawn on August 15, that will be next week, right? Next week ba yun? 15? Oo nga, next Thursday ang draw natin ng epic skin. 119-949-7365. Magbibigay din tayo. We're going to have an entry for the MPL Philippines that will visit our live open dummies. Okay? For epic skin, I'm going to give like, teka lang, isipin ko kung mga kaya ng tatlo. Mga 2-3, ganyan. Gano'n ba kadami yun? Pwede tayo mamigay ng mga ganon, mga 3 epic skin agad. O 2 epic skin. O whatever, kung ano yung ano niya, certain amount, kung anong gusto nyo, it's okay. Musta Madam Ganda, Balbuena Lionel, ito, masakit ang ulo. Okay, from Pakistan, Punjab, under Killzone Squad, the highest rank is 49 points, Mythical Honor, Legend 2 is the current rank. With 119 skins, Season Collector. The history is hidden. Battlefield is 99 matches, 49 win rate, 39 MVP. Longest win streak is 6. All-time favorite would be Nana Angela and Hanabi. Alright, Balbuena. Masakit ulo ko kasi siguro no? Hindi pa ako kumakain. Ayan, Dogs TV. Please do follow Dogs TV in Facebook and in TikTok. Siyempre, this is Dogs TV from TikTok Sweetheart. 84 points is the highest rank. 42 points is his current rank, Mythical Honor. This is Dags. Pogi, oh. Hoy, 30k ka na? Lakas sa 30k 10k pa lang yun Collectible with 558 skins, Mega Collector. History, this one, Iksha Gods. Inom ka gamot, Madam Ganda. Ayan, for the charisma, for those who would like to have charisma, kindly follow this queuing. Okay, the keyword is exclamation point Q. Okay, pakagwapo naman yan. Ay, pakagwapo mo daw. Spear Gaming, hello. Max, pwedeng magtag ng ML. Pwede naman. Sandali, susubo muna ulit ako ng isa. Nagugutom ako. For those who would like flexing guys, please do follow instruction. That's not letter Q. The spelling of Q is Q-U-E-U-E. Oh my goodness. Please follow Spear Gaming as well. Sino nagsabi nun, madam? Si Artnil Gaming nasa Facebook. 609 matches, 52.05, win rate 36, MVP, Maniac 7, Savage 2. Longest win streak is 10. All-time favorite is Iksha Arfactalind. Dags, madami ka na ito. Hindi na kita bibigyan. Airship. Ayan, Default Pardo, thank you for following Yumi Sakura. Happy streaming. Hello, shoutout po. Okay. Wala na ba? Hapon, ate. Magandang hapon. Wala na. Okay. Let's go for 5v5 na. Saka susubo ulit ako. Ano ba to? Jonathan Humalon, good afternoon. Good afternoon po. From Chicks Gaming ka, right? Please do like and follow Chicks Gaming. Ano yun pa? Dags TV, Artnil Gaming, RH Plays. Sino pa yung mga dumaan sa akin kanina? Yumi Plays. Kindly follow those people who are also supporters. They are also content creators and streamers. Dags TV and TikTok. Spear Gaming. Ayan. Yes, pwede sumali sa 5v5. Kindly share our live and tag your friends. Okay? At least tag 5 of your friends. Akala ko Arkang bibigay. Naku! Saka na pag kumita tayo. Pagka kumita tayo, Dags. Sa MPL. I did not continue MDL this streaming kasi twice kaming naban. Lahat kami huminto. Ayan ha. Okay, no thanks. No thank you din. Balbuena Lionel. Thank you for the heart me. Ayan. For those who would like to have or to join our 5v5, kindly follow lang po Pa-follow ako nung aking ML ID. Pa-follow na po ako. Pa-follow na tayo. Hindi po ako nagfa-follow mga idol ko ha. Follow back lang po ako. Follow back lang po tayo. Follow back lang po tayo. My ML ID is already in your screen. Okay? O, game na ha. Sino itong mga nag-message? Okay na. Lahat lang po na magfa-follow ha. Daan lang pa uwi. Ayan. For those who would like to join our 5v5, everybody is invited or welcome ha. Kindly follow my ML ID. 717-717-839-336. Okay, game na tayo. Switch account tayo. Palapag lang po ako ng inyong ML ID. Ay, sorry, IGN. Okay, palapag po ako na IGN. Thank you very much for the gifts from Polo. Sino ba? Sino ba nagbigay? Kung nakita. Dags, thank you for the heart me. Thank you very much po. God bless po. Lahat po nang sasali sa Facebook lang po ako kukuha ng players, ha. Facebook lang po ako kukuha ng players. Ryan Tarino, Ari Marie, hello po, shoutout po. For those who would like to join in our 5v5, I'm only getting those players in Facebook. Alright? From Facebook only. Doon lang po tayo kukuha. Check ko lang kung sino yung mga nagano. Ali, thank you very much for the finger heart. Thank you very much. Lapag lang po kayo ng IGN nyo. Kung na-follow na po, baka po may gustong sumali. Ayan, ha. Lapag lang po ng ano nyo. Ng IGN. Hello kay Rampa Girl. Naka-follow na to. Karian. Karian ba to? Ano ba to? Paano ba pasahin yung pangalan mo? Kirian. Kirian, wala ka pang follow. Na-follow na? Kirian, ayan na. Hi ate, no, meron 5v5 tayo, be. 5v5. You need to go to our Facebook and drop your IGN there. Timang, hello po. Techno888, hello. Wala nga. Wala dito sa account na to. Pa-follow na lang ako, be. Pa-follow na lang ako. Hindi ko yun ginagamit. Hindi ako nag-a-add doon ng ano. Mga nakakalaro ko lang talaga yun na doon. Mitsuko. Na ito. Mitsuko. And Samyaza. Kindly open. Brian Tarino, I will only entertain those people sa Facebook po. Doon po ang paano. Ali. Open na, Ali. Open na po. Mitsuko. Bawal po kayong mag-invite, ha? Oo nga, matagal tayo hindi nagpa 5v5. Add me. So, Jack, my ML ID is already on the screen. Okay? You can add me up there. You're not allowed, everybody, you are not allowed to invite your friends. Only me. Only me. I am the only one person who is authorized to add in the lobby. Follow back, Zodiac. What's your name? What's your IGN? What's your IGN? Zodiac. Open? Kindly open a Zodiac. Yung sasali po, those people in TikTok, I will only get from Facebook. Sa Facebook lang po ako kukuha. Okay? Kyrie, ano ko pa-share ako ng live natin, Kyrie. Pa-follow back, Brian Store. You need to share our live, That's the basic rule. Share our live. Where is Brian? Brian Store. Wala pong following. Pa-unfollow and then follow po ako ulit. Ayan. Pa-follow and unfollow. IGN, so Jack, done na to. Done na to, done na. ML ID is 717-839-336. You can see that on your screen. Okay? Happy streaming, Axel Tan! Hello! Wala na ba? Padaan lang po. Sige, baka maano kami. Baka masagasaan. Anyone else who would like to join? Hi, Miss Kit Gaming! 2v2 na lang tayo. Gusto nyo ba? Would you like 2v2 so that we could start? Just transfer on the other side. Kyrie, lipat ka kaya? Let's make it 2v2 if there would be no players anymore. Okay, kindly ready. Brian Store, please ready. Kindly ready. We cannot start unless you hit the button ready. Hey, ready. Brian. Diyos ko, bingi pa ata tong taon to. Tanggalin ko nga para makulang attention. Hindi nakikinig eh. Pa-ready po! Sponsor ni RH, shoutout po, Shenberg Apilado. Thank you very much for sharing our stream. Thank you very much po. Robin Salventura, thank you for following. Sponsor ni RH, happy streaming off live visit from RH Place. Hello po, shoutout po. Salamat Shenberg sa pag-share ng ating live ng madami. Thank you very much po. Okay, this is 2v2 since we do not have players. Okay, what skin epic, madam? It's up to you po, any epic skin. That will be drawn on August 15 po. You need to entry every day after my live. I am always posting those people who have successfully enlisted their names via Noxbot. Yung may nanalo po, make sure that you screenshot the game, okay, yung tally mismo, ha? Tapos, PM lang po sa page kapag po kayo ang MVP. MVP win only, ha? MVP win only po. Mag-goal ka ng coral. Coral? Anong coral? Ano ba yun? Sandali. Coral? Parang ngayon ko lang nalaman yun, ha. Sakit ng ulo ko. Ba yan? Coral. Saan yun? Okay lang. Ano ka ba? Okay lang, ano, Benz, okay lang. Walang problema yun. Wala akong nakikitang coral dito. Gagi, coral ang mahal nun, wag yun. Wag. Wag, okay lang. Hindi mo kailangan ng ano, bumawi. Carry lang, ano ba? No problem yan. Ako pa ba? Ako nga ang bumawi sa'yo eh. Kasi, ano eh, nung nanalo ka, ayaw mo. Diba? Ako lang din ay bumawi sa'yo. Zero 3, ayan na, in favor of Kyrie ba yun? Kyrie pala. Si Kyrie pala yun eh. Para may pang-display ka. Saan? May pang-display saan, be? Saan ako may pang-display? Nakakasama ng loob. John Jacob Baisa. Ba't kasama-sama ang loob? Sa TikTok, meron ba nun? Nadi-display ba yun? Pwede ba mag-display? Turuan niyo ako, diba? Kung pwede mag-display, di-display natin. Bakit hindi, diba? Sige lang, Romeo. Okay lang po. Go, go, go lang. Zainab, hello po. Shout out. Ay, pusa. Nasaan sila? Andun sila sa taas. Nagbubugbugan sila sa taas, guys. Si Kyrie ang aming funny. Ay, ang dami kong magandang skinny funny. Hindi man pala madami. Mga dalawa lang. Nakahang lang CP ko, ate. Sige lang. Nakahang DQ. 06. Ayan. Magre-reklamo na ako sa App Store ng Star ni Munto. Nako, ako din. LS ka ba, idol? LS ka ba? Ako din, LS. Huwag kayo mag-alala, hindi kayo nag-iisa. Joy, hello! Joy to the world. Tama ba? 7K, 5.8 po. 5.8. Thank you for following me, Joy. Thank you very much. God bless you. I'll follow back. Hold on. Dan, following back. Thank you very much po. Nasaan na si Kyrie? 0-9 is the score. Ayan na. Bag na naman. Galing ni Bunso. Oo nga. Shh. Huy! Naninira yung tuta namin ng ano. Nagngangat-ngat yung aso. G9 star, hello po, good afternoon. Shoutout po. Nag-concede na sila. Kyrie ano mo, screenshot mo. Screenshot. Oo nga. Tinamad na silang lumaban sa inyo. Tinamad lumaban. Screenshot mo. MVP win Kyrie. May Dias. MVP win may Dias, Kyrie. Magkasama pala kayo ni Ali. Kaya naman pala. Screenshot mo na, be? Okay na?